Assalomu alaykum hammaga. Men hozir Minor, Pensilvaniyadaman. Bu yerda mashina ishqibozlari, klassik mashinalarga ishqibozlar mana shu yig'ilishadi. O'zi butun Amerikada bor bunaqa ishqibozlar. Mana shu yig'ilishib turadi har xil joylarda. Shanba oddiqlari ayniqsa.
It's a 71 RS Camaro sitting on a 79 K5 Blazer frame.
Yeah, that's like I see each detail. Like you gotta take it out, polish. Like
Every
it's
nut
a.
and bolt's been painted.
Mr. Tim, he spent about 10 years. Like it just you really detail oriented. Like not like you gotta be. You become really like professional.
I have another motor for it. I got a 383 stroker with a Whelen supercharger. But we're only getting 4 miles to the gallon with the supercharger, so we pulled it out and put this one in.
Yeah, it's too expensive gasoline.
Way too expensive. We figured it out. It cost $1 a mile to drive it with the supercharger.
Yeah.
And that's too much. I still got the motor. It's in the garage, waiting for gas prices to come back down.
Yeah,
If
hopefully.
they do. I don't know if they will.
Yeah, thank you. Mr. Smith o'tli boshqa motor qo'yildi, juda ham ko'p benzin yeydi. Vaqtincha benzin bahosi tushgandan keyin almashtiramiz deyishyapti. O'zbekistonda ham bunaqa klassik mashinalarni qaytadan ishlab haydaydiganlar bor. Masalan, bizning birodarimiz Ulug'bek ham mana shunaqa klassik mashinalarni yoqtiradilar. Yaxshilab sozlab mana shu haydaydilar-da. Telefon negadir qizib ketyapti. O'shanga ko'p ololmayapman. Yeah. How many years you guys spend time for that?
Me and my husband together? Or how many years you put that?
Like
It took him 22 years to put that together.
Oh.
He built it.
each detail.
He
Yeah.
did all the
No,
details.
I built it 20 years ago.
20
It
years.
took me about a half hour.
When you have free time.
Yeah. His car was tore down to nothing. Every bolt, screw.
Every single detail. You really detail oriented guy.
Yeah, back then. But I couldn't do it now. I put a lot of metal work in that car.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I see each detail like bo'sh vaqtlarda mana ishlaganlik ustida gazeta 20 yilcha vaqtim ketdi deyaptilar-da. Thank you. Appreciate.
Take care.
Have a good day.
You too.
Negadir telefonim qizib ketyapti, o'shanga o'chib qolyapti. Shunaqa qilib bu videoni ham sekin yakunlaymiz. Sog' salomat bo'linglar. Keyingi videolarda Xudo xolasa xabarlashguncha. How are you?